Hello YouTube! Welcome to my channel and welcome to this tutorial on how to do a smudged eyeliner, blowed out smoky eye look. I don't know what else to call it. To me, it just reminds me of how I did my makeup when I was younger, during my emo phase, using the word phase as if I don't have anything else going on. I really love to wear this on stage. I really like to do this for going out, for every day, because why not? Go ahead and sit tight. I'm gonna learn you how to do this smoky eye. Today's tutorial is gonna be really easy. We're only using 2 colors from 1 palette, and we're using 3 brushes and 1 chunky pencil, and of course, mascara, but that was a given. So the first step, you're gonna take your chunky pencil. I have the Anti-Precision Eyeliner from Kat Von D. This is the Green Day edition, the basket case one. You're gonna wanna go ahead and take your chunky pencil, and you're gonna want to just draw a really chunky line on your eye. And then for this part, you can either use your finger. I'm gonna use a smudging brush that's a little bit larger. And I'm going to go ahead and smudge this. And really, I'm just kind of carefully smudging this up into the lid. I just realized I forgot to put mascara on this side. Alright, and you don't want to take it into the crease too much. You're going to do the same thing. Just go ahead and take the pencil, make a chunky line, and blend it out. And then it should look a little something like this. A little bit darker along the lash line, a little bit softer up here. And then on the bottom, we're gonna tight line, and then we're gonna kind of give it a bit of a chunky line. In this house, we don't skip, we chunky down. You're gonna take your smudgy brush or your finger, whichever you're using, and you're gonna smudge this guy out. Today, I'm using my Kat Von D Shade Light palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the black color right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the shader brush, and I'm gonna set this eyeshadow with it just by patting it. Go right, nice and simple. I'm gonna take the excess, and I'm gonna run it underneath my eyes where the liner is to set that, and to kind of give it a nice soft look. Before we add a transition color, go ahead and take a fluffy blendy brush, and just kind of blend along the crease area here, just to soften up the black a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and take a charcoal color. I'm gonna use this one right here, load it up on that same brush, and we're gonna put it in the crease. And here comes everyone's favorite part, where we blend and blend and blend and blend. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Ladies, gentlemen, and everyone else, this is the look. Don't forget to put on mascara. I've got my Maybelline Rocket Volume Express. Just go ahead and do your mascara. There we have it. Here she is. Our really simple to do smudgy grunge punk emo smoky eye liner thing. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this quick and easy tutorial. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at nikki.martinez.mua. Also, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a little comment in the comment box. I love seeing what everyone has to say, and I love to respond. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.